Hi students, yesterday I'd asked you a question, what is default bail? Well, as the name shows, it is a bail which is granted as of right because of default. किस चीज का default? Default in not putting up a police final report under 173 CRPC in offences if they are punishable with less than 10 years, then within 60 days, and if they are punishable with more than 10 years or life or death, then in 90 days. So in other words, अगर कोई offense punishable है with less than 10 years of imprisonment, then the police has to put up the final report under section 173 CRPC within 60 days. अगर उन्होंने ना की, then the accused as a right gets bail. Similarly, अगर offense is punishable with more than 10 years or life imprisonment or death penalty, then the police must put up the final report under 173 CRPC within 90 days. In case it does not do so, then also the accused is entitled as of right for bail. This is called default bail. Another aspect I'd asked yesterday was, can default bail be cancelled? Now, there is no provision for cancellation of bail in section 167. However, when we deal with non-bailable offences, bail in non-bailable offences, it is covered by section 437, also by section 439. In both these sections, there is a provision for cancellation of bail. It was held by in various Supreme Court judgments that 437 can be invoked by a magistrate, or a higher court can invoke its powers under 439 to cancel a bail given in section 167. In other words, a default bail can be cancelled on the same grounds which are available in section 437 for a magistrate, and for higher courts, the session court or the high court, under 439. On this, we have a judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, Natbar Parinda, Natbar, Parinda, Parinda versus State of Orissa. The question which came up before the Supreme Court was that suppose it's a very ghastly crime. Even then, does the accused deserve a bail? The Supreme Court said there is no such rider given in section 167, that it is only in non-ghastly cases or non-serious cases that we give bail. Anything above 10 years is supposedly a very serious case. So it is immaterial whether the offense was serious, ghastly, or it was appalling the public psyche. It is of no consequence. He is entitled to bail. Also, the question came up before the Honorable Supreme Court that can default bail also be covered by section 437? No doubt 439 gives immense powers to the session court and the high court to cancel bail. But the question came whether a magistrate can cancel the bail which was granted in 167 under 437. The matter came up. There were many judgments, but I'll quote the earlier one. There is a judgment, Bashir versus State of Haryana, 1978 Supreme Court, in which it was held that yes, the cancellation of a bail is a matter which is different, which is universal, and it is always based on the principles of justice. That is why 437 can be invoked for the purpose of cancelling a bail which was granted as a default bail under section 167 CRPC. I hope everybody is clear upon this. Thank you.